Okay.
Today's challenge for the connectors is the most loops.
I can't wait to start this track, huh, guys?
Hi.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom.
Is this a new design?
Yeah, I'm designing a new track with 6 loops.
Wow, incredible!
Yeah, and we could put a skateboard here. Right, and some books here.
Put a missile here and the parking lot here.
That's it. The design's done. Why don't we take the track outside?
Yeah!
Let's go get all the stuff we need. We can put it in our backpacks.
I'm in. This track will be awesome.
Come on, guys.
All set.
Connectors! It's time to connect! Go for it, Matt. Go! Yeah! Let's add 2 more loops.
Great!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah!
8 loops, wow!
How about more loops? Yeah! Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! That was great!
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, cars, and apparel each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adults assemble.